Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Jonny here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. For those of you that have just joined my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that are already following me and have already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. I really do appreciate it. So I thought I'd shoot this quick video really just to give you an update of what I've been up to. For those of you that have already been following me will know that I've been kind of quiet on the YouTube front for the last couple of weeks, and the reason being is that I've had to deal with an emergency my end, but the good news is that it's all been dealt with, so I am now able to continue where I left off and start putting out content and start being active on YouTube again. So apologies for that. I hope you weren't missing me too much, but for those of you that did send me emails and notes of concern, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So in terms of what I've been doing so far, as you know, for those of you that are following me, you will know that I've been going through a redundancy process that has now been completed. My last consultation meeting was on the 29th of March, so that has now been done and dusted. I am now officially unemployed. Dun, dun, dun. I know. For a lot of people that are in a similar situation to me, it can be quite scary. But, I've definitely looked upon this as an opportunity for myself, because for those of you that know my story, what I'm really on the journey towards is really creating a lifestyle that I really want. And that is to be able to generate multiple streams of income and still be able to have that flexibility to spend with my family. That's exactly, that is what ultimately I want. So being unemployed is definitely going to give me the opportunity to pursue that kind of lifestyle, but at the same time I need to make sure that I continue ticking over with my living expenses, etc. So as much as I want to be able to do that full time, I am also still looking for full-time work, but I am hoping that the next role that I go into does meet a certain criteria, and it's going to be certain things that is going to help me accommodate working on my other projects on the side. So it's going to be things like working within my local area or working from home. That's really what I'm opting for. Or if possible, maybe working on a contract basis as well, or a freelancing basis, because again, that will give me the flexibility to be able to earn money, keep that regular income coming, but to also work on other projects in addition to that as well. So that is what I'm kind of striving for. I've registered to a lot of agencies. I'm basically applying to various different jobs every day. So I've been quite active. But at the same time, I need to make sure that I don't lose sight of, the fact that I still want to make sure that whatever role that I go into next does help me or bring me that step closer to working for myself, or being able to work on projects to help me create the ideal lifestyle that I'm after. So that is where I am right now. I know a lot of you have been reaching out to me also, wondering what's been happening with my 3K challenge in 31 days. That is still continuing. Thankfully, even though I've been quiet online, well, not quite online, but quiet on my YouTube channel for the last 2 weeks, that has still been ticking over. So I will be shooting a video giving you an update of exactly where I am with that. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update because I think I owe it to you guys to let you know where I've been, etc. So if you did like this video, please do remember to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure you also subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications bell icon so that every time I do put out a video, you will be one of the first to get a notification of that. So guys, I'm going to leave it there, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, stay blessed.